So now you want to print your work. How do you print your work? So this as the option for you. Number one, you can just press your control P for printing. Is going to take you to printing area. Then you're going to select what the you're going to select the printer that is attached to it. A printer must have been installed into your computer before this time, so then you can easily do what, select the printer, and also you select the printer that you want to use, and you can easily print what, your document. Then this is for page setup. Probably you still have to set up some things. If you want to put it in large scale, although you're written in portrait, when you want to print, you can still put it in what, in large scale, and you can determine whether it should apply to the old document or the current page. So aside that, you can as well come to print properties. These are print properties, the printer property rather. So if you come to printer properties, it's going to show you this kind of property depending on the printer you connected. The one connected to this particular system is HP Color Laser Jet 2320 and so on. So this is how its properties look like. That is printing shortcut, where this one you can just leave it in unspecified. It's talking about the paper type and the paper size. I want A4, and the paper source, just leave it in auto selection. The paper source, that's from the printer. Some printer do have about 3 paper source where you can put paper. So that's why it's asking for the paper source, whether tray 1, tray 2, or the tray 3, or it should select automatically. So this one is talking about, should it print on both sides? If yes, should it be flip over? That's flip over, that's it should be open to this side, just like or what they call handout, your normal handout. Or it should be flip over like jota, like some jota. This is how some jota look like. So are you going to set it in color or in black and white? That is what this one is meant for. So after you have done with that, you can just go ahead and say print. Okay, and if you want to check more options, you may need to come to this side to check for more options. In my experience, this cover should be like this, should not be having anything here. If it's having anything here aside from this page type, this one, if you have anything here, just know that you are going to have what is called empty page in printing it out. It may print out empty page, 2 empty page before the particular document you printed, or it print out 1 before it, then 1 after it. So let nothing be here. Okay, so that is another one. So then after all these settings, this is a copies. This is how many copy you want to print, whether you want to print 10, you want to print 1. That is for each of the pages. For each of these pages, how many copy you want to print? 6 copy per pages or so. So you can set that by yourself, and after everything you say print. That is for printing option. Now for sharing option, there is sharing option as well over here. Do you want to send it as mail, as email? You want to send it to people, or you want to just share it with people? Microsoft will allow 2 or more persons to share the same account. For example, this is my account, Joshua Moses account, 1jofem@gmail.com. So another person can share with me with his own account, from his own email. He's going to share with me. Okay, so from this particular option, you can just share with what your email. You can use email to share it with as many you want to share it with as an attachment. You can send it as PDF, so you don't need to start worrying about getting a PDF. You can share your document, Word document, as your PDF from this section. You can as well post it as blog. Okay, you can post it as blog to your website, to anywhere you want to post it to. So you just register a blog account. Microsoft Office has blog account. You can register as a blogger with them, then choose your what SharePoint blog, intelligent community type WordPress blog. So it's going to take you to this blog account. You can register to. Some of you understand, even if you don't know anyone, WordPress blog. But if you don't know WordPress blog, WordPress has blog option and others. So you can choose from anyone here, and you can just easily share with them. So once you share from your Microsoft Office, it's going to appear at the site you shared it to. So, and people will be able to read your word, and some of them, most of them, like WordPress and all that, the more they read your document, the more you get paid. That is the logic. So, but it's not going to be as quick as possible. You must have been posting, and you must have just like YouTube. You get paid on YouTube, but it's not everybody that is getting paid on YouTube. Number one, you have to work hard. You have to work up to a certain level before you start being paid. Okay, so that is online work for you. It's like a farm and a farmer. A farmer will earn profit on his farm truly, but it's not going to start the day it starts. Okay, so that is the work for you. So you're going to start. You can just register any of these SharePoint blog, intelligence community type art, or WordPress, or you can search for other blog of your choice. Then you can as well go forth, and then if your blog is not listed, you can. Alright, after that you can as well do whatever things you want to do with it. Is publish as draft or as you want to publish. Okay, so let me talk about saving your work as well. You can just come to. Okay, so now you want to save. You don't want to share. You don't want to print, but you want to just save your work. You can just come to export. Alright, from the export, you can create PDF here. You can make it what? You can make your work PDF format, then you say publish. Or you come to save as. Look for where you want to save your work to. Let me just come here. Then from save as type, the type is a Word document. No, you want to change it to PDF format. You can change it as PDF format. Then once you click on save, let me check something first. Then you are going to have it saved as PDF. The PDF format is for ebook. That's an electronic book. Okay, so it has saved as PDF format. So you can always review. For example, let me just use this one. Paste. Save as. Save. Let me save it to. Okay. I will save it as PDF. Standard publishing online printing. Minimum size publishing online. Option open file after saving. Okay, open file after saving. Copy PDF. Okay, I don't have PDF on my system. That's very interesting. So it has saved as PDF, you can see. So because I don't have PDF on my system, so it is good. It is browser that's going to open it. If you have PDF, Acrobat is going to open it. But if you don't have, that means unless you use a browser link to open it. So you can see now, this is a PDF format. So it's saved. When you access PDF online book, when you access it online, this is how you see it. Online PDF book. Once you open it online, this is how it's going to open. Then you can easily come here and say download. So, and it's going to download to your system. So save as PDF, you see. Okay, so you can see now, and that is how it look like. So this is a PDF, this is the original text, this is the PDF text. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this class. See you at the mountaintop of success. Please do well to review our work. Send us mails, send us chats, send us mutual communication. Review our work, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us up, turn up notification, and share our free courses. And as well, do us a favor, review our work on Facebook and also review our work on Google Map. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you.